Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make monthly calendar in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, if you want to create monthly calendar, you don't have to make it manually. You can use the template from the Google Sheets. So I'm going to show you how you can access that template. You just need to click on this plus button, then just click on choose template. Then there will be a couple of templates for you. And since we want to create monthly calendar, we can click on annual calendar right here. Just tap on it, and then the calendar will be automatically created on your spreadsheet. But you have to wait for a moment because it's still loading, and make sure that you have internet connection to access that templates, guys. Because if you don't have internet connection, you won't be able to access the template from the Google Sheets. And just wait, guys, it's still loading. Alright, and now the calendar has been created on our spreadsheet. And if you want to get your monthly calendar, you can click on the month right here. You just need to tap on it. Then this is the January calendar. And you can access it by sliding your screen like this. You can scroll all the way to the right. Then you can customize the color. You just need to select the calendar. Like this, you can select all of the column or the cells. Just click on it. Then if you want to change the color, you can click on the fill color right here. Then you can select the color that you like. And for example, I'm going to select this one, yellow. Okay, and now the color has been changed. Okay guys, and that's how we can create monthly calendar in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.